All right. Good morning. It's 11:17, November 17th, first thing in the morning. Let's just take a quick look at the news we got coming up. And today we got housing starts and building permits at 8:30. Should be happening any minute. I think I'm relatively close to that. Oh, no, about an hour away. Building permits, that's going to be an interesting number. Then we have oil and crude. And then we got a few people speaking. We got a couple of Feds speaking throughout the afternoon. I don't think anything's really going to move the market. Housing starts, building permits are going to be interesting. But that's about all we're looking at. Okay, let's take a look and see what we did. I think we triggered that weekly bull flag. No, have we? 718 is the all-time high. Yeah, we triggered the flag yesterday. Pulled back a little bit off of it, but I'm expecting more bullishness out of the market based on this weekly flag. So that's good snooze. On the daily, we've got this divergence building, but what our challenge now is to break the highs and make a new high. So 1492. I thought I saw a high. There it is. 74.1850. What am I saying? Dyslexic son of a gun. 47.1850. That's what we have to look to break. But I think I see the bullishness will probably go up and break that and continue moving. The 10-year looks like it's on a tear and going to continue moving. So if you want to play this, that means bond prices are going down. You could play that with the TBT, and you can see over the past few days, it's been grinding its way up. So that hammer would have been a good entry, but ultimately, I think long term it looks pretty good. I unloaded some Exxon yesterday. Just felt like it was getting a little toppy, and took a little bit off the table. I own it really cheap, so I don't know if it was appropriate for everybody who is involved in Exxon. I mean, still good dividend paying, but it looks like it's getting a little toppy. So I'm going to wait for some sort of pullback and get back involved in it. Had some calls against it, made money on that, closed those out. So that looks good. And that's about it. I'm not going to belabor this morning meeting. That's what the markets look like. Everything looks like they're relatively positive. The indexes are all trading pretty much in lockstep, so you could transfer everything we said about SPX to composite and the NASD. So that's it. Everybody just remember, calm and cool when you're trading, a little meditation, be at peace, and good luck trading.